Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture I am going to talk about some numerical based on the classical theory for the RC circuit. So I am going to talk about some numerical based on the classical theory, and these numerical will have the resistance and capacitance in series. Okay, so this is the first numerical we have. In this circuit, the switch is closed on position 1 at time t equal to 0. Okay, and after one time constant it is moved to position number 2. Find the current before and after moving to position number 2. Assume no initial charge on capacitor. Anyway, so I am assuming this position earlier it was in 3. Okay, and we are moving 3 to 1 at t equal to 0. So we are closing to 1. So at t equal to 0, move the switch to position 1. So क्या होगा पोजीशन 1 में आने के बाद? This is the condition, current will flow in this way and capacitor will be charged. So capacitor charge होगा तो source will be there, right? Okay, source is there, source है तो capacitor charge होगा तो capacitor will get some voltage VC equal to what? Formula V in bracket 1 minus e raised to minus t by tau. ओके, एंड ये जो कैपेसिटर है ये पोजीशन नंबर 1 कब तक है? At time, and after one time it is moved to position number 2. So this is the switch, this switch is in position 1 for one time constant. So at t equal to one time constant tau, one time constant मतलब t equal to tau, Vc equal to क्या हो जाएगा? V is what? 100 volt, 1 minus e raised to minus t कितना है? Tau by tau is minus 1. So I am going to use the calculator. E raised to minus 1, you will get 0.3678, 1 minus that into 100. So I am getting 63.21 volt. I am getting it. इसका मतलब this capacitor will be charged up to that much of voltage. Now at t equal to tau. At t equal to tau, what is a tau? Tau equal to what? RC. R into C. R is what? R equal to 500 ohm into C कितना है? 20 microfarad. 20 microfarad. So if you do it, I'm getting 0.01 second. So that is the time constant I got, 0.01 second, right? So okay. So at t equal to tau, that is 0.01 second, we are moving the switch to 2. जैसे ही आप 2 पे आएंगे, what will happen? Circuit will be like that. That is charged to what? Charge to कहाँ तक वोल्ट चार्ज हो गया है? 63.2 वोल्ट, राइट ना? जब 2 पे आएंगे सो कैपेसिटर वुड बी चार्ज अप टू 63.21 वोल्ट. सर्किट विल बी लाइक दैट. ऐसा 2 पे आ जाएगा एंड दिस वोल्टेज विल बी लाइक दैट. इट इज लाइक दैट. क्लियर? ये पोलैरिटी प्लस है नीचे, so it will supply the current in this direction, right? So that capacitor is also charged, it will also be supply the current, but this effect will be reduced. Okay, so current will flow in this way, right? Okay, so this is the position. Now so at t equal to 2, this will be what? कितना voltage है ये? 100 volt. This is 100 volt. Okay, now formula क्या आएगा? Vc equal to from here, from this diagram, Vc equal to what? from here, which equal to what? V 1 minus e raised to minus t by tau. Is it clear? Why? Because source is there. Since source is there, so it is example of rise in capacitor. Capacitor will be charged. Clear? And it is already charged up to 63. So उसका effect क्या आ रहा है? Increase or decrease? This is decreasing. याद रखना, जो पहले से चार्ज है वो इफेक्ट क्या होगा? डिक्रीज होगा. तो दिस विल बी 63.21. दिस इफेक्ट विल बी रिड्यूस्ड माइनस टी बाई टाउ. सो दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ स्टोर्ड वैल्यू. याद रखना, स्टोर्ड वैल्यू का इफेक्ट कम होता जाएगा. क्लियर? और दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ सोर्स. क्लियर? सो दिस इज द v in bracket 1 minus e raised to minus t, and t नहीं आएगा यहाँ, t dash आएगा. You are not operating the switch at t equal to 0. You are operating the switch after one time constant. So t dash. Okay. So you will get v equal to कितना है? 100 volt. This 100 volt in bracket 1 minus e raised to minus tau कितना? 0.01. 1 upon 0.01 मतलब minus 100. Clear? T dash. I will put it later on. ये हो गया. और ये आएगा 63.21 या 2 e raised to minus t dash by tau. Now it is plus or minus. What will happen? It is minus. Okay. Okay. So you will get answer is, this is 100 minus 100 e raised to minus 100 t dash minus ये कितना है? 63.2 e raised to minus 100 t dash. So you will get कितना आएगा? 100 equal to what? 100 minus 163.2 e raised to minus 100 और t dash कितना है? t minus 0.01, one time constant. So that is the answer I am getting. Okay. First of all, this will be disappear. जैसे जैसे t बढ़ेगा, this will be reduced, this will be finished. Okay. Okay. So okay, so I want this answer only. 100 minus this. Okay. And this effect will be neutralized, right? And you will get finally t equal to infinite. This will become 0. So you will get 100 volt. This will be plus, this will be minus later on. Okay. The next question I want to talk, question number 2. I'm first rubbing it. Question number 2. In the circuit shown in figure, the switch S is in position 1 till steady state. It was in position 1. Earlier, before t equal to 0, right? Before t equal to 0, switch was in position 1 for a long time. Switch was in position 1 for a long time. One long time में क्या हो गया? Capacitor was charged. So VC0 minus कितना हो जाएगा? कैपेसिटर चार्ज होगा तो कहां तक जाएगा? 100 वोल्ट तक. क्लियर ना? दिस स्विच वाज इन पोजीशन 1 फॉर ए लॉन्ग टाइम. लॉन्ग टाइम में क्या होगा? कैपेसिटर करंट वाज फ्लोइंग इन दिस वे like this, and capacitor was charging. Clear? And कहाँ तक जाएगा, मैक्सिमम वोल्टेज कहाँ तक जाएगा, 100 वोल्ट तक. सो वीसी जस्ट एट t इक्वल टू 0 यू आर मूविंग द स्विच फ्रॉम 1 to 2. सो जैसे ही आप 1 to 2 पे जाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, Vc 0 प्लस क्या रहेगा, सेम, बिकॉज capacitor stores the energy in terms of voltage, it opposes the change of voltage. So just before and just after voltage will be same, कितना, 100 volts. Now at t equal to 0 move the switch to what, 2. 2 पे आएंगे तो सर्किट विल बी लाइक दैट. 2 पे आने के बाद कैसा हो जाएगा सर्किट, लाइक दिस. कितना, 100 वोल्ट माइक्रोफैराड, 100 वोल्ट. क्यों, कैपेसिटर चार्ज अप टू 100 वोल्ट एंड दिस इज 200 और दिस इज 300 ohm. So because of this capacitor, current will flow in this direction, because of source or because of stored value, yes. So at t equal to 0 move the switch to 2, so current will flow due to stored value, and this effect will be decreasing in voltage, why it will decrease, why this voltage will decrease, because there is no source, only because of stored value. So obviously whenever it will supply the current, this voltage will be reduced. So क्या आएगा, Vc equal to what, V e raised to minus t by tau. This is the formula we know, where tau equal to what, RC. R कितना है, 500, 300, 500 into 100 micro. So I am getting tau equal to what, yes, 500 into 100 micro. So I am getting 0.05 second. So I got tau equal to 0.05 second, right? So what is the value of Vc? Vc equal to what, V. What is V? क्या पूछा है? Find the current. Find the current. So they are not asking the voltage. They are asking find the current. So voltage के लिए ठीक था. Current पूछा है तो forget it. What is the current? I equal to what? V by R e raised to minus t by tau. Whether you are charging the capacitor or discharging the capacitor, in both the cases current will be reduced. So when you current will be reduced, okay, so current will flow in this way. Vc, V कितना था, that is the charge value, कितना था, 100 volt, right? It was 100 upon what is the value of R, 500. 500, 3 plus 2, 500 e raised to minus t by tau कितना, 0.05. ओके, सो 0.05 कितना आ जाएगा ये, इट इज 100 upon 500 is 0.2 e raised to minus 1 upon 0.05 is 20 into t. So that is the answer. I am getting I equal to what, 0.2 e raised to minus 20 t. Okay, और अगर Vc निकालना हो तो that is the formula we have. So in this way you can find the value of current, right? I am rubbing it. I'll discuss one more numerical. So these problems are very simple. Just if your concept is clear, you can do it. Okay. One more problem I'm going to talk. That is example number 3. The switch of the circuit shown in figure has been open for a long time. You can see this switch here. This switch is open for a long time. कई घंटों से खुला था. इसका मतलब है source was there and current was flowing in this way. अगर ये स्विच ओपन था तो करंट ऐसा फ्लो हो रहा था, राइट? अगर करंट ऐसा फ्लो हो रहा था तो कैपेसिटर क्या हो रहा था, चार्ज. कैपेसिटर वुड बी चार्ज। कहां तक चार्ज हो सकता है? Vc 0 माइनस जस्ट बिफोर ऑपरेटिंग द स्विच और Vc 0 प्लस जस्ट आफ्टर ऑपरेटिंग द स्विच। कहां तक कैपेसिटर चार्ज हो सकता है? फाइनल वोल्टेज कहां तक? 1200 तक, इसके आगे नहीं जाएगा। So I got Vc0 minus equal to Vc0 plus equal to 1200 volt, right? Now at t equal to 0, close the switch. Close the switch. So आपका डायग्राम कैसे आ जाएगा ऐसे? At t equal to 0, at t equal to 0 plus. T equal to 0 plus मतलब after operating the switch, you will get diagram like that. 1200 volt, 100, 300 और ये 50 माइक्रोफेराड प्लस माइनस चार्ज कंडीशन में। सो यू कैन सी हियर ये दो लूप का प्रॉब्लम हो गया और आई टोल्ड यू ऑलरेडी, पहले भी बता चुका हूँ आरएल में या पहले, दो लूप का प्रॉब्लम डिफिकल्ट है तो इससे क्या करो आप करेंगे, सोर्स ट्रांसफॉर्म करते हैं। 1200 वोल्ट और 100 ओम कहाँ है? सीरीज में, इसको एक कर दें, यू विल गेट प्लस, जहाँ प्लस है वहां पर एरो हेड और यहाँ माइनस है वहां टेल एंड। आई एम गोइंग टू यूज द सोर्स ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन टेक्निक, वोल्टेज सोर्स को करंट सोर्स में कन्वर्ट करते हैं। 1200 अपॉन 100 12 एम्पियर का सोर्स आ जाएगा और ये 100 कहाँ आएगा? पैरेलल में, और ऑलरेडी 300 पैरेलल में है और ये 50 माइक्रोफैराड। क्लियर? नाउ यू कैन से 100 और ये 300, these two are in parallel, you can make it one, so you will get 100 and 300 in parallel, so 100 into 300 upon 100 plus 300, so 30,000 upon 400, so you will get 75 ohm. So I'm getting it. Now again you can say this 75 ohm and 12 ampere in parallel. If voltage current source and resistance in parallel, you can convert into voltage source. So voltage source की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? यहाँ एरो हेड वहाँ प्लस, जहाँ टेल एंड है वहाँ माइनस, V इक्वल टू आई आर, V इक्वल टू आई इंटू आर। आई कितना है? 12 इंटू 75, so I am getting 900 volt. I'm getting 900 volt, or this 75 will come in series. और यहाँ क्या है? इधर this capacitor is there. What is the capacitor we have? कितना है? 50 microfarad. Okay, so 50 microfarad. So you can see this diagram. Source is there, so it is an example of rise in voltage, right? So at t equal to 0, close the switch. So from figure number 1, 2, this is 3, from 4, figure number 4, from 4, from figure number 4, right? It is example of what? It is example of rise in voltage. Rise in voltage क्यों? Because source is there. हाँ sorry, ये already charge है. कहाँ तक charge है ये? 1200 volt तक charge है पहले से. Okay, so it is example of rise in voltage because of source is there, right? So क्या आएगा? I have to find what? After switch, find the Vc at 2 millisecond, right? So Vc equal to क्या आएगा? Vc equal to what? Vc equal to what? V 1 minus e raised to minus t by tau, right? This is because of the source. Plus already stored value भी है यहाँ पर. कितना stored value है? 1200. So 1200 का इफेक्ट बढ़ेगा कि कम होगा? कम होगा, तो e raised to minus t by tau. So V कितना है? What is the value of V? सप्लाई वोल्टेज कितना है 900 वोल्ट. So 900 in bracket 1 minus, okay, 1 minus e raised to minus t. What is the value of tau? Tau equal to क्या होता है r into c. R कितना है? R कितना है 75. R कितना है 75 and c कितना है 50 माइक्रोफैराड into 50 माइक्रो minus 6. ओके, सो 75 R है और C कितना है 50 माइक्रोफैराड. So I am getting, by using the calculator, I am this into this, I am getting 0.0375 second. So I am getting it. So यहाँ पर क्या आएगा, VC equal to V 900 in bracket 1 minus e raised to minus t upon tau. Tau कितना है 3.0375. So I am getting 3.75 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Okay, okay, plus 1200 e raised to minus t by 3.75 into 10 raised to power minus 3, right? Okay, I'm getting it. So if you open it, so you will get Vc equal to what? Vc equal to what? 900 into 1 900 minus ये 900 हो जाएगा और ये प्लस 1200. यहाँ क्या आएगा माइनस 900 और ये प्लस 1200. सो यू विल गेट प्लस 300, राइट? प्लस 300 e raised to minus कितना? Vc at what time they have asked? 2 millisecond. At 2 millisecond. So Vc equal to what? 900 plus 300 e raised to minus 2 raised to power minus 3 upon tau कितना है 3.75 into 10 raised to power minus 3. So minus 3 will be cancelled. Okay, so do it. E raised to minus 2 upon 3.75, whatever you will get, multiply by 300 plus 900. So I am going to use it. I am getting 1076 volt. I am getting 1076 volt. Okay, so I had solved 3 problems based on the RC circuit. This is the method we have used, that is the classical method for finding the transient solution, transient as well as the steady state solution. Okay, now later on I will take the RLC circuit also, then initial and final condition also. Okay, so I'm stopping here, and in the next lecture I will take the RLC series circuit. Okay, so in case of RLC series circuit, what is happening, what is the derivations, okay, theory, etc. I will discuss, and then I will take the initial and final condition. So I had tried to solve more and more problem to clear your concept. Okay, but if you have any doubt, you can ask me by writing mail or by on the phone also. Okay, thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you.